Hey guys, Krystal here. Tonight we're going to do another cup bottom flower pour. Had some really good luck with that and over the last couple of weeks, and thought of a new paper towel option to use. I think my previous paper towels were too absorbent and maybe taking off too much of the paint. So I'm using more of a napkin, a lot thinner, and going to use a lot less water, and hopefully that'll just get me really the results I'm looking for. Also, I've had these colors that have been like sitting and staring at me for, I don't know, just a few days, and I'm like, I'm gonna put them all together. So give me a minute. I'm gonna turn the camera around, get the paint set up, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm actually gonna flood the canvas with Amsterdam Phthalo Green. Such a beautiful color. And I think it's going to look really nice. Let's see, get this on here. So I hope everybody had a good week. I know for me, it's been super busy, kind of stressful, kind of good and happy, but like I said, super busy nonetheless. I'm really hoping for a somewhat relaxing weekend. We have a lot of soccer coming up, which is not really relaxing, but it's fun. And we're going to be going from game to game to game to game, and then probably at the end of the day, crashing and falling asleep, which is totally fine by me. And then we have probably to cut the grass and get some new grass for the fall down, and some other little house projects. We got to finish my little art space down here in the basement, and I think I need some more paint. Hold on just a second. Yeah, so we bought all these cabinets and everything for all my art stuff. And for the most part, it's all put together and I can take some pictures of it, but we want to paint one of the cabinets gray to kind of match the decor in our basement. And we just have not had the opportunity to do that yet. So I'm really hoping that we can get that done this weekend so that I can take everybody on a tour of the art space. Some good news in my world this week is that my first art sale to a lady in North Carolina named Mary, it safely arrived to her yesterday, and she said that her husband, who swore divorce if she ever brought home another flower painting, loves the painting so much that he wants to hang it where they can see it every single day. So if there was any kind of amazing review for a first time shipping, that was it. I was super excited to hear that, and I can't thank Mary enough for buying that first piece of art from me. And then I did a piece for my niece up in New York, and so she got her jewelry set today and is totally in love with it. So again, I was super excited to hear that everything arrived safely and everybody was happy. You can't ask for too much more than that. All right. So I am going to give this a second to kind of sink in just a little bit. Change my gloves out here. And I know that last time I did my reverse cup pour, I used a San Pellegrino bottom of the bottle, but this time I'm using a Wegmans bottom of a mineral. So it's got a few more of the lines through it, so I thought it would be a little bit cooler, and then maybe I could even do a twist as it's going along. So we shall see how this turns out. So I'm going to try to find the center here. Okay, so I am going to start with Liquitex Magenta. Don't ask me to pronounce the second word on here. So I'm going to start with that color. Okay, And then I'm doing Arteza's Pearl Pink. And then Amsterdam's Ultramarine Violet. Oops. I'm actually working on a 12 by 12 canvas right now. This is Amsterdam's Pearl Green. And of course my favorite color out of all, DecoArt's Deep Sapphire. And then I'm going to finish it up with Arteza's Pearl Sea Green. And I'm going to go back to my magenta, the Liquitex magenta. And Arteza Pearl Pink. Amsterdam's Ultramarine Violet. Amsterdam's Pearl Green. And DecoArt's Deep Sapphire. And one more on the Arteza Pearl Sea Green. Okay, now here I'm going to blow the paint down. And I think on this one, I am going to go ahead and pick the cup up and just rotate it. And I'm going to start again with the magenta. And then we've got Pearl Pink. Ultramarine Violet. Amsterdam's Pearl Green. DecoArt Deep Sapphire. And Pearl Sea Green. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to blow this down. Okay. Now I'm going to very carefully pick this up and move it out of the way. Oops. Sort of very carefully. All right, and let's see. Gotta grab something real quick. Okay. So we're gonna pull these out. So now before I put my napkin over this, I'm going to fix up the middle just a little bit. Maybe there we go. Okay, moment of truth. So instead of using like a Bounty paper towel or like a regular paper towel from the store, I'm using a napkin, a very thin napkin. Now this is a 12 by 12 canvas, so I am going to try not to do too much here. Lay this here and then pull this back here. Okay, so just want to lightly touch these flowers. You know, I think this method of creating the flowers does a really good job of making beautiful napkins. If only you could sell the napkin. Okay, so here goes. Pull up at the corners. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is really pretty. All right, so now I'm going to clean this paint up. So I just want to clean this paint up, make it to where you're not seeing the canvas. I think I might let this dry just a little bit and come back to it. Get some a little more paint on it. But for now, pop a few of these bubbles. I'm going to bring you guys down to show you this beauty. Okay, guys, here she is. She's absolutely gorgeous. The flower is stunning. Got some nice lacing in there. So, like I said, if you guys are interested in any pieces you see on my channel, please email me at krystal.tahaba@gmail.com and we can work it out before I get it up on my Etsy channel, or you can buy it off my Etsy page. Also, please make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the thumbs up button. It helps support me and keep me going. And make sure we're doing the right things here. So hope you guys love this video. Hope you love the final product. I certainly do. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so you can see my fat finger in the way. So you can see it just a little bit more. It is super, super pretty, guys. Like, it is just really pretty. So if you're interested, let me know. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.